welcome to all the viewers and the scenery beauty of the Solia village, and hope that all this view will be satisfactory. Same time, it is a memory as the autobiography of my life. So it is a fortunate and wish to all to be support and accept my aims that can be upgrade for the improvements and developments of the village. So I request that all the persons who have supporting me, start from my family, friends and well wishers, hope that all will be success for a future plans in one day life. Saya hidup han klaim pamei pan la pen alang itu dame la pen kacing kurse tang Amerika kirap tinggi mate asumar pan jadi dia pan klaim video ko si suar pek bang iya nangi anglong la bang ge menit panta kan stek pen klaim kedam ni juga yuna pan Amerika kirap kita dek pedor our side mate economic masuk jirungit seong dung la dak rong si ta me hai ke ko hai at ke hai rong ke rong no hai ke ni ani bang ke som si het kre ta me dan rong su ta me ram kedam ason na si langsung ber event lo masih kiwang in kan na me antese sor ke me kim bana project ta me iklam negeri panji website masih kerap tentang hang rong pangbong lo, hendak rong pangbong i lo, bang rumah sancom lo sih, bukan nusiong nan. Kalau hai yang ngarah hai di lo, hawar lo lah hai, ketika kang hoi lah, igi ustik lem beda mima, neng kreng pensil lah hai klem make lo, masih perlah cula tome do kidam, yukta atibin tome di sta sonse abin cibi pun lo lah di kume celang dam kidam so
labang ge mau shri wa samchom arong lo se hanap gua bang ge inglong rayap ngarahi di akume lo aprang hu bang ge solia sorang silo lah solia sorong hang himpi inti himpi rong hang tu pregiam tu ma hidi yang silo kami pinian ni bang ge kilong adim da dulu kilong le adim da dukop lo ku sarani tu lang pon fami bena jo jadi ku me ke tu bianta cerai hil
Roy lo kan di long sidon dan menang ke lah komen tu benang ra facilities tu tau sila haida cek dam su benai lo si sila keleng la tu kita sila langsung lah hai ceng Roy ni tin Roy tu nasan ni da sila la silang sama lo hai ceng Roy kon la melang ko mo por sila lo barla ke la khat ni kasi kipur ba kita mela sombo na hai so lang bang ke solia rong mensi so lang yo nang le lo kasi puan la yang mara koran ta me lang tidor bendo tibiti lempar kipan deri da me chok lo kasi edo be manta la so lang kampi do pame kasi chuni grip no. For the Solia village, which the government have taken this farm, Muka farm at Solia. So this foundation stones laid by our late Sri Ike Maulong, Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. So here is we can see this scenery. Muka seeds are producing for the Northeast project targeted, and then this Muka seeds is one of the project for taking care of rearing of this silkworm, and that they can produce in right amount. With this is a one of parts that for economics developments, the weavers, the who can weave this silkworm, they can take care by themselves in their own respective. But this is a center for seedling and planting as a project which are founded by the Northeast. Thing kia là hay ở đây đó thì hai thing kia là mẹ là na cái làng này thì chúng hai thek lắm hai ta mẹ com thek lo rong ar lúc ông đúng là thing kia amen mà thì ai jat tawir bom lo si kematha hai itu kita thing kia mẹ ador gitu thing kia ador ka we thing kia mẹ environment mà thế là hai chúng apan sen kilong di adi maklong dari langnya makan ali racam timelong ye pan abin abu gitu long ye pan sila hai deme ni sumpini lah ada na wan pan pikareng me tumon budir nasan thing piteng prang eli pithek long apen puni repra thek long aseson abin bu mate abin gitu lang ye pan si pini abni munitum rongar lu gitu kitak tame sona dim se neng hang no si la hai yong si tum sona dim yong si tum chip berti tek klem tek lote itu mah hem arit itu hak tame remisen senang tum hai pentah na tum pan nak klang no ni so lang teng abang ke aprang ke ingkem sora lang teng lo tame lang tumrong kanti yor te lo la si ada pada in arja sa skimen sila ada harlong tame na tum hai wall production wall level lo ke la dak la ke ti lang iwang ya su sa du da aprang lang ti me lang du la so dong pe rong ang nama dong lo la so seripon kami tak orang matok lo kami main kafe kita selampau ni dalam bidang yang si ini kita hai survey macam nang lang selang kami yang kerap lo dak bang ke marla chula kami lang ke ciputa ang lele lo di non man ke ok tek nong dat lo kami ok talu lo dak pinangan ok dak lulu pasti mau oke pro mate ok lang apa cabut mate kadu nang tun langsung tek nang pop tapi ni ok nang tek long den lo adi man si nang pulang tu si nang tu nang parhi nang wang no mu nang tu tek no ni ben ok ta lo
lak lo ke penangan ne
lar leng tuar misen sinon ni li wang putri pen si putot siu dam no la dak luma sancom mate rong selan sinon amir ikan no dak lai sia sancom no dak sia sancom barim no mà rồi thằng chồng là mẹ si cả chính phủ thằng sẽ là hai chùa bắt là thẹt khăn nóng luôn cặp đây có lồng non là here is the middle points of the Solia village and it's a very important part for the view of the people from around the villages, so therefore from this viewpoint we can see to neighbors villages like Lerkla, Podongholu, Yamarepa, and then Umpuin, Kerdem side also we can see.
even up to Nigrim side
Even Nigrim's hospital can be clearly seen from this Harlong Tumtum. So Harlong Tumtum is a part of that we mean to make a tourist spot. So we are planning to see and survey for that. So we are starting this program to look out, and if any department who have helping to us, we can make a promote a tourist center in the village. So this is the footpaths or the routes already have been get from got from the PMGSY scheme. So we are ready to see it what happening there. Then we will clarify in the spot of Harlong.
okay harong
Nalo tuar ke dami no, lagay la Ini rida tuar men sedam nangi la suatu war. Lai gari dum ta lahai da non mar parkingan hai da ulang lahai gari pariap ta. Alia kun pariap na. Ini tu mini bang program ngidam lo yo.
Ta.
Letun ta. Kane ne unta nang tun ta.
Labang duma sancom lo. Takkan ha umpawin melasnain da cicar. Lam hitok mo na bang umpawin napen halap tangcet bang ke melasnai. Kasi nang ditum la dakwang lo bede tek long pet po. Yo lang bonon po. Ang klang pun tir po. Lang ha. Lapua ha labang so ai dien da tek long lage rayap ngar ai di lo. Dan pugo bangke mau beri yo ledak nang kabisi da tum do nir pu dempen sila arni pini bang arni supik si shilong ni grim napen dam sai aju sone ledak pen cicar ko ulang ha labang irong lo maluai cuma ngarong ini kasih cum di dorong napen hala bang sondo langsung long bang kim
Labang
kim no di nah halap bang Win parai
berai
win parai ledak masih labang suar long penang tum wang no je ha
direct teklong tebo
di
Arni Gemelo. Welcome to all YouTube channels, viewers. I'm Sri R.R. Ronghang, professionally interacted and interested for tourist spot. All the villagers are most welcome, and any suggestion I have accepted and I want to be developed. The tourist center in the viewpoint Solia village places, you can see the scenery beauty. The agricultural places are there, a farmer also. So I want to be this center should be what I have been showing you now. So I like to subscribe this a YouTube channel so we can invoice for that. Good morning everyone. I am Sri Ranupang, Assistant Master of Solia Kabiapar Primary School, sometimes as the Secretary of the Money Committee of the school. I have been served this school since 1986. Till then, so here is the office room that we can run the school, manage, and then we work together. So we have a different table present here. So this school is till now we have in progress and development. At the same time, we continue to proceed one new secondary school, which is recently inaugurated. So that is Solia Yamar Secondary School. So therefore, we appeal all the parents, all elders and leaders and our neighbors to support this school to progress ahead for the betterment of our students, for the future generation. So hope and appeal to all to work together that we can achieve, and especially our own community, that we can compete to others. Try. We have a challenge, and nowadays it is the most important for education is the most everyone of us a challenge. So hope that I wish all that your future generation students will be the leaders of this society. So only these few words. Thank you. This is our school building, Solia Yapngar Secondary School, which have been inaugurated in this 8th February 2020. So this is a new secondary school which were started by the MC committee through the Darbarshnam, that we want to upgrade the school to class 9, class 10, because it's very important in this our area. So appeal to all as behalf of this school money committee as a secretary, that to support and send to your children this school, that they can get a good education and they can promote from this school to further study. So we welcome all to be participate and support, suggestion, and in financial matters, everything the people likes to support us, we welcome and accept it. So hope that through this presence of this school, let that our children and our community will be in progress and development. So only these few words. Kadam. The viewpoints and scenery of the Solia village, particularly in the hill scenery, the agricultural sectors and the farmers' activations. Regarding the sightseeing for a tourist spot, we are very part for that, educating youths, women, and all like-minded peoples to participate to creating awareness the environment, to make the afforestation, that we can make our nature to come back as a generation in the past. So, therefore, kindly to subscribe to this viewpoints we have shown you in the YouTube, and appeal to all to be take part and will join hands to achieve our aim and objective, that one day will become a reality for the future life. Thank you. I am very happy. It's a sunny day and a greenery, all this around, and feel that atmosphere is blowing a part of this hilly area. So therefore, this is one of the stones, memorable stones, which all the youths and people who have interesting for a tourist, they used to come up to the stone. They take a photo and then they can see around the beauty scenery of this area. So hope that you will be take part. Francais kado we panta kardom pilo kini arni por ke mesen umang mesen arong neng kang sam lasu adim aklong adim ke aku rong rup kim ceng pen rong ahidi aku meang selo lahai itum tek longi ngon si thei pin thei wang lo nasi lasu ahidi ku me ke isi dak yap ngar pua an bor adim ke dak solia adim sedulo nasi la solia anglong apam la tung waroi la solang roi dudak penting bob si na yap ngar athor kido antame na su asok sang pidor lu ku native lo nasi pini itum tek long lai nili phi pen niling nu tame na tum tek long hai kadu we long le philang sam pridang hidi tame sam pridang pima monit tum la hai kichan pen alkot hai long le philang tame pini bangke aho ora wadat lo nasi nili kachuningri kadu we tuhonta il tum pini ya generation mate tuma la 25 century ya bangke nili tum long le philang kiti miti ke klem kida mason an itum lahai kirim gibi heng pireng prang tame along tin asam chom tin arong tin tame itum ki ponang po pelir seng long yapan alam hemal hai kisun wor krem hai kadu eta itum ki jok yapan tumon tipri kareng me long japan itu marong maruk tame alon aor kin long japan asi nelihin pen nasu naltung bitek long pen na chuni run bangana cerap na situ dunte itu asam chom tin arong tin tame ahawar tin tame itu ceng pononang lapen itu arid ajai pen ceng lok lahai klem kedam adim tame itu lahai tipi perang yong si itu apandulo itu kisun eta kejok la sinilhin pen thangalam ta ong la hai activity tame itu nengkreng barla keler sengi pan luhan ta kiwang jenengkan ponona nasi naftu pan kadu manta curu pen kardom pilo itu la klempon rapet longji kedam propet longji taben kacing thur la sosai pen tame itu awar sai kelong leputang sinilhin pen lamit hiteni naftu pan kardom pilo kardom